Hello everybody, this is me, my unboxing fun here today. Today I'm going to have an unboxing of the brand new, just released Bosch Happy TAS 1003 GB coffee maker by Tassimo. Now as you know guys, Tassimo is a very big coffee brand where they've been supplying these coffee pods to make very quick and efficient coffee. Now as you can see, it makes 36 different types of coffee by using these coffee pods. It has a tank capacity of 0.7 litres, which is not that great and not that big, but it's good if you're making everyday coffee for just 1 or 2 people, which is pretty cool. It also has a 3.3 bar pressure and an auto shut off feature, so if you forget to turn your coffee machine off, it's pretty awesome. So you might be wondering guys, how much did I purchase this for and where did I purchase it for? Now I've seen this being advertised on my TV. There's an advert from Curry's PCWorld here in the United Kingdom, and it said that this came from like £100 to £35. What I like about Curry's, it actually comes preloaded with a 2-year guarantee. So if anything actually goes wrong within 2 years in this coffee machine, they are willing to replace or repair the item for you, which is very good. Another thing which I like about Tassimo, it's a great coffee machine. It produces great coffee, and there's amazing brands out there as you can see on top of the box. They have brands like Oreo, Kenko, Galaxy, Milk, Law, even Law, it's such a great coffee brand. So anyway guys, let me just actually get to the unboxing before, I don't want to talk a bit too much because a lot of people hate it when I talk a lot. So as you can see, you get £20 off tea discs if you spend, I think, a certain amount. I think £30 or £40 if you spend, or £50 actually if you spend. You get £20 off the order with tea discs, which is pretty awesome. And it says everyone's favourite drinks, press and play, Tassimo Happy, the essential one. Okay, and I think I'm the first person ever on YouTube to make an unboxing of this coffee machine, which I'm very happy about and very proud about. Yeah, so hopefully no one will upload this video before me. But you can see that it has a drink scanner. So what I like about this is, guys, again, Tassimo is awesome. They actually have an inbuilt barcode scanner, and this barcode scanner, when it scans your barcodes on your coffee pods, what's actually going to happen is it automatically sets the right temperature, the right amount of water, and the right amount of bubbles and stuff like that to actually make it the perfect coffee, which is pretty awesome. And guys, if you don't like it, you've got a 2-year guarantee, you can give it back. You've got a 30-day warranty, you can give it back, and you can see it says auto cleaning, one touch, space saving, energy saving, no heat up time, easy one fill. So actually pretty awesome, as you can see. And this is the red colour. Okay, so nothing else inside of the box, intelligent. Okay, let's just open the box and see what we get, because I think you guys are excited as much as I am to get this over. It says do not use a cutter, like on the side. How the hell are we supposed to open the box if there's no cutter? Okay, so hello, visit tassimo.com to register your coffee machine. Yeah, your welcome gift, £20 or £20 off. Register your brewer on tassimo.co.uk and get £10 off your first order and a further £10 off on your second order. Minimum order, I don't know, but that's what happens. So £20 or €20 off, up to £20 off. See what they did there? So they make you think it's £20, but actually it's not, it's £10. And you can see it comes with this sort of very nice, colourful and very simple sort of, I like the way they laid it out, very colourful and simple. And I like the way that Bosch actually include pictures in their thing, because it's actually more easy and user friendly, so that's pretty good. But that's the manual, and they also have a black and white copy, which I don't know why. So yeah, let's see what we get in the coffee machine now. I mean, there's nothing else to say, it's just a coffee machine, The only thing I could do is make a review on it, which I probably would. But there's nothing else in the box, as you can see, nothing else. So let's just look at the actual coffee machine. So this is the actual coffee machine, guys. So guys, I got the camera a bit closer so you guys can see what you actually get for your money. So as you can see, it comes these Tassimo Intellibrew, which means that there's a little barcode scanner. I don't know if you can see that. Let me bring it a bit closer. There's a little barcode scanner just right there, and that will actually scan your coffee pods. This is removable, meaning that you can clean it, and sometimes this usually gets dirt on it from your coffee and stuff, so you can clean it and snap it back into position, which is pretty awesome. And it has this nice sort of mechanism here, which is very nice indeed. On the bottom here you have your drip tray, so if you have your coffee on here, sometimes the coffee will leak into the tray, and obviously you can remove it, give it a quick wash and put it back in. If you've got a big cup, you put it at the bottom. If you've got a small cup, you can put it to the top. And as you can see here, guys, there's no sort of difficult sort of manuals or difficult buttons to press. Just pop your coffee in here, pop your tray in here, and it will automatically detect the size and everything. And you press, and then it will make your coffee for you. Nothing, no hassle, no milk frothing required. It does everything for you, and that's what I like about Tassimo. And as you can see, this is the, again, fairly small. It'll probably make 1 or 2 cups of coffee in this little thing, but probably one of the smallest trays I've ever seen water. But you can also descale it. Don't forget, guys, you have to like put some water in it, descale it, and then obviously, you know, do your thing with that. So that's pretty cool. If you want to see me make a video on this, like a review video or anything, let me know, guys, in the comment section below. Like, you know, if you want me to make coffee in this and then tell you guys how the coffee tastes like and stuff, let me know in the comments description below, because I want to know, guys. But anyway, this is the drip tray, so you can see that. This is not a drip tray, sorry. This is the water sort of storage area. So if you put water in here, and you put it back in here like that, you can see, you know, I mean, apart from that, it's fairly durable. Okay. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. That's my unboxing of the Tassimo Happy coffee machine. If you want any more videos on this device, let me know in the comment section below. You know, like if you want, I don't know, a review, or you want me to show you guys how coffee is being made, put your comments in the comment section below. Like the video, subscribe, turn notifications on, and yeah, have a nice day, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.